So my name is Jodie Schildkraut. I'm a clinical project manager and postdoctoral researcher at the Radboudumc University Medical Center in Nijmegen, the Netherlands. And within UNITE4TB, I help on the coordination team, and I'm the co-lead of the work package for phase 2B clinical trials. Yeah, so within UNITE4TB, we currently have 3 trials ongoing. So the first is the Decision trial, which is a dose-finding trial for the BTZ04T drug. That actually finished recruitment in 2024, and we've heard the first preliminary results, which we're very excited about. We're looking forward to more results coming out in the coming months. The second trial is the flagship trial of UNITE4TB, which is Paradigm4TB. So that's a complex, multi-arm, multi-stage trial studying first regimen selection in what we're calling the 2B phase, and then hopefully some of those regimens will progress into what we're calling the 2C stage, which is duration ranging. And then finally, we have the ENABLE trial. So that's an early stage phase 2A trial looking at the alpibectin-ethionamide combination. And then the second stage will also be combined with rifampicin, ethambutol, and pyrazinamide. Yeah, absolutely. So I think the strength of UNITE4TB is that these 3 trials are running within the same group of people. So there's been a lot of learnings back and forth. And I think specifically within UNITE4TB, there's we've put together quite not a complex, but good structure in the way we manage these trials. So we have trial steering teams, we have joint development teams, and we've been able to learn from the first trial in which this was implemented and set up a similar steering committee for all the different trials, which is definitely something that I think through the different trials we've gotten better and have been able to learn from each other. And then on top of that, we've been able to really learn from kind of the development of the sites for the trials. And one good example I would say is there was a trial that for the first time was being used by LMU in the Decision trial, and that's now also been taken into Paradigm4TB. So a lot of the preparatory work that was done there really got taken over by the Paradigm4TB trial as well. Yeah, so I think the efficiency within UNITE4TB really comes from the unique concept that UNITE4TB is. So really this partnership between the asset owners and the academics really allows us to be testing multiple new drugs in combination at the same time. And then that in combination with these really innovative new trial designs really means that the progressing from phase to phase with these different drugs in combination is going a lot quicker. And a good example is the Paradigm4TB trial, which is a seamless phase 2B trial, which means you can go from that regimen selection to duration ranging without having to go back to the ethics committee, and that really buys you a lot in terms of speed. So I would say the strength of involving the young investigators group in a consortium like UNITE4TB really comes from the range of stakeholders that you reach. So being a European-funded consortium, it's a lot of European members. But through the Young Investigators Group, we've really been able to have a global reach and have younger people from all over the world really invested in the trials and the work that we're doing. But not only that, they're also participating in the webinars. There's publications coming out with senior researchers. And on top of that, our communications working group has also been able to build a mentorship program and looking to set up things like journal clubs. So I think there's a lot of dissemination of results, but there's also a lot of really great back and forth between the young researchers and the consortium, leading to good scientific outputs as well. So let's MDT together.